Hello, my name is Joel and I'm going to demonstrate how to mount a 23 frame motor onto a ERD 15 with a 23 frame NEMA mount. And we have a 1/4 inch shaft on this unit, on this motor, so it'll mount directly to the back of this actuator. What I removed here is a collar clamp that we're going to apply to the back of the actuator. And we want to line up those the split in the back of the actuator shaft with the collar clamp split, and get an Allen wrench lined up with the hole on the side. That's a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. Put that in through that side access hole, which is used for the foot mounts. If you have a foot mount, you'll need to remove that. So make sure everything's lined up there. You can tighten it a small amount so it's not moving around too much on you. But we'll keep that Allen wrench in there while we attach the motor. So you can see that the motor goes right onto the back, and you can line it up this way, whichever way you want, rotationally. But I'll just slide it in for now, and then attach the motor with the 4 screws. And what we're going to do now is get these just snug. We don't need them tight yet until we tighten up that collar clamp. But I'll install the screws in a cross pattern to keep them keep the motor from being skewed, so that it goes on correctly. We get a good flat contact with the motor mount. Once I get all 4 of those in, we can tighten up the collar clamp the rest of the way, and we'll tighten that actually to a set torque. And on that collar clamp on the 15 size, this will be a 19 inch-pound torque that we'll want to go to. So if you have a torque wrench, you'd be torquing that to a 19 inch-pound setting, and then we'll want to tighten up the screws again in a cross the rest of the way. And these 4 screws on the motor aren't as important as the collar clamp would be for torque, because that's where all the work is happening. But it's good to have all these at the same torque so that the motor is properly and equally seated onto that housing. So there you have it. There's the ERD 15 with the NEMA 23 motor mounted and ready for operation. Thank you.